Today we're featuring a 2015 Honda CRV EXL. It's got 20,000 miles on it. It's a certified unit. It's got a clean CARFAX One-Owner. I'll go ahead and give you the walk around of the vehicle. Go ahead and take a walk down the driver's side here. Everything looks really good down through here. It's this really nice cherry metallic. Everything looks really good going down that side. We'll go across the back of the vehicle here. It is equipped with rear view camera. Everything looked good there. Down the passenger side, everything's in great shape. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the inside. Alright, we'll start here at the door panel. It's got the two-tone door panel, the gray and the black. The nice perforated leather insert there, really sharp. Alright, it's got gray leather, power driver's seat. Alright, the leather is absolutely phenomenal right here. Not even a wrinkle in it. Alright, this car's got 20,000 miles. It still smells like a new car. Passenger seat leather is great. No problems there. Alright, it does come with 2 key fobs as well. Alright, it's got your heated seats. Automatic. Dual climate controls, push button start. Got your nice big touch screen there with the rear view camera, and I'll get to that in a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls. Alright, Bluetooth. And it is also equipped with sunroof as well. Alright, I'll go ahead and give you a shot of the mileage. It's got 20,969 miles. Alright, we'll go ahead and show you the radio here, the touch screen. We'll get to your home screen here. Alright, as you can see, it looks good there. We'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. Alright, and another cool feature about this CRV is that it comes with your blind spot monitoring control. So you just touch the button here, and what it does is it throws up your blind spot in the backup camera on your touch screen here. So on the left side of the screen there, that's actually the side of your CRV, and everything else on the right side is your blind spot. Making lane changes on the interstate or whatever. It's a great feature to have. Honda offers it for you. Alright, really cool feature. Alright, we have the AC running there for about 10 minutes. Everything's blowing cold with the AC. I will go ahead and step out and give you a shot of the back seat. So I'll go ahead and jump out of here. Let's get back here with the back seat. Alright, door panels, great shape here. Leather is phenomenal too. No problem whatsoever with your leather back here. Just a small impression in the leather there, maybe from just like a car seat. Hardly noticeable. Alright. Everything else is just in fabulous shape. Alright, go ahead and check out the driver's eye view, kind of give you the layout, the dash and the console. Alright, everything looked really good there. Go ahead and pan out. Give you a shot of the storage area back here. How much space you got. Alright, carpet's in great shape. No problem there. Go and step to the side and let you kind of see the depth. Alright. Everything is in great shape. Even's got the sunshade back here to cover up groceries or shopping or any kind of gifts you have. To get the back seats down, really cool feature CRV also offers a handle right here. You pull that handle, alright, seats go folding down. Alright, you see that? Another handle over here, pull that. Seat goes down, it's actually getting caught on the seatbelt up there. Here it goes now. Perfect, look at that. Now look how much that opens it up back here. Alright, fantastic. Let's go ahead and shut this. Take you around here to the wheels and tires. Alright, let's see what we got here. We've got 17-inch alloys. Alright, those are in great shape. Brand new set of tires. You can see the depth there. Looks really good. Alright, once again guys, a 2015 Honda CRV EXL. It's a certified unit, clean CARFAX One-Owner. Alright, it's got 20,000 miles on it. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.